was on a plane to California. I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for?
Okay, so we just found out our flight is delayed by like 2 hours. So I think Dory and I are going to find a place to sit and hang out and eat. Kind of cuts into my work time, but I guess I'm on vacation, so I need to enjoy it. Okay, you guys, so I am off on a girls trip. I've got my 3 best friends and we are headed to San Diego for the weekend. And I'm planning on working, but spending as much time as possible relaxing. This is my friend Dory. She's traveling with me. So we're pretty excited. Lots of hanging out at the beach, hopefully some good food. There's this gorgeous lake I am planning on taking a run on. So here we go. So I just wanted to give you a little update. We got in, it was actually still light when we got in, and 2 of my girlfriends met up and they left to go shopping, and I found a spot in the airport with a plug, and I've been working. So it's been good to get a couple more hours of work in before this whole thing starts. I'm waiting for one more person to get off the plane, and then I think we're in for the night, which is awesome. Makeup, no done hair. This is pretty bad. I'm wearing my pajamas, and we are headed into this grocery store. And that is how you know that I'm on vacation. We are getting pedicures and manis. Beautiful today. It's a little chilly, like windy, but like kind of perfect as well. We are headed to dinner. We're going to be celebrating my friend Adrian's birthday tonight. We are at Chandler's Oceanfront Dining. It's a fun atmosphere. We are inside because it's a little bit chilly. I want to sit outside, but it'll get cold. We ordered the lobster and shrimp nachos, the short rib flatbread, salmon, and bean citrus salad. We're having one of those moments. Everybody is resting or taking a nap. I am about to go on a run. I am getting a little bit of work done, have a few things that need to be finished up, and then I'm gonna head out. So it took me a second, but I finally found the trail. So I found these super adorable little benches that had cute little grassy bits on top of it. So charming. Such a fun trip, a little chilly but so beautiful. did a lot of sitting in the backyard and hanging out on the couch and resting and basically everything a girls trip ought to be.